In today's video, I am going to teach you how to email a folder in Outlook Attach Folder. If you've ever tried to drag a folder into an email and it just wouldn't attach, that's because Outlook can't attach folders directly. The quick workaround is to compress the folder into a single file first, and then attach that file to your message. Start by finding the folder on your computer that you want to send. Right? Click it and choose Send To. Then Compressed, Zipped, Folder. Your computer will create a new .zip file in the same location. This zipped version keeps all your files and subfolders together, and it may reduce the total size a bit, which helps with email limits. If you like, give the zip a clear name so the recipient knows what it is. Keeping it on your desktop or in Documents makes it easy to find in the next step. Now open Outlook and start a new email. Click the paperclip icon to attach a file. Choose Browse this PC so you can navigate to where you saved the zip. Select the zip file and click Insert. You'll see it appear under the subject line as an attachment. That's all there is to it. Your entire folder is now packaged as one file and ready to go. If your attachment is small enough, this is the simplest, most reliable method. If the folder is large and the zip still exceeds your organization's attachment limit, use a cloud link instead. Upload the folder to OneDrive, Google Drive, or SharePoint, and then share the link in your email. This approach is best for big projects, lots of media, or anything that might change over time because you can update the files in the shared location without resending the email. Before you share, check the link settings so the right people have access, and decide whether they can view only or edit. Paste the shareable link into the message body, add a brief note describing what's inside, and you are set. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.